Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change background in VN video editor. Alright, so to change background or canvas, you can for example you can resize the clip and change for the background or canvas. Just click on the background button, and you can add image to add as an background, or you can select color or gradient color, check marks, add the image. You can add as an overlay, add as a background. So you can change for the blur, just click check mark. So that's how you can change the background and VN. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.